welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to learn about two different commands. One of them is divide, another one is measure. So these commands you'll find in draw toolbar, and just take a look. These are the two commands that we are going to study today. Okay, so in order to understand these two commands, I'm going to draw a line of starting from 0,0 and measuring 100 units. So 100 then comma 0. So basically I have drawn a line along the x-axis only. Now suppose that if I shift this particular axis and I want to divide this line into 5 equal parts, so the command that I'm going to use is divide. Okay, so you can type divide or you can click on divide, then select the object and type the number of segments. So suppose that I want to divide this line into 5 different segments, so type 5 and then press enter. So line is divided, but you are not able to see the divisions. Okay, so the reason is our point type is not what we need. So you are going to use a command ddp type or p type. So type p type, press enter and select a different type of point and adjust the size of this point and click OK. So just take a look, the line is already divided into 5 equal parts. So that's how the command divide works. Okay, now the next command that we are going to understand today is this measure command. So let's delete these divided points. Okay, we don't want to change the point type, so select similar and delete it. Now select measure command or type measure, then it will ask you to select the object. So click on the line, then we want basically we want to create 10 divisions of this line, or we want to measure segments of 10 units each. So type 10 and press enter and take a look. The line basically you have got points after every 10 units on this particular line. So this is how measure works. Now what's the difference between divide and measure? So just draw another line of length 100 units and angle 0 degree and press enter. Then use divide command. Now select the object that we want to divide and type the number of segments as 10 and press enter. So just take a look. In this one basically we have divided this 100 unit line into segments of 10 units each, but we have not got the last point here. Okay, so what measure command is doing, measure command is just simply creating points after the specified distance, and we are getting a point at the end as well. Now what will happen if we want to measure units, if we want to measure if we want to measure the length of this line, but the line is not divisible exactly by the number. So let's try that as well. 100 and 0. So we have used the same segment. Now we are going to use the measure command. So click on measure. Now select the object, press enter and specify the length of segment. So suppose that I want to measure the segments of 8 units each, so press 8 and then enter. Now take a look, basically we have received this segment. So that's the difference between measure and divide. So divide basically divides a particular object into the number of specified parts, and measure basically from the starting point measures the specified distance. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you guys like the content. Thank you very much and have a nice day.